Are you also tired of manually notifying to your Telegram channel regarding the new entry received over your Google Sheet? So now let me firstly show you the working of the automation which I have built in using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your entire task or entire business. So by using the Pabbly Connect, I have created an automation by using which I'm going to notify my Telegram channel as soon as I receive a new entry over my Google Sheet regarding a new lead. So now let me firstly show you the working of the automation which I have built in. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where I'm going to make a new entry. So here I have made this new entry providing the full name of my user as test user, email, phone number and the product in which my user is interested. So right here I'm on my Telegram group named as leads received, and right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the details of my lead which I have recently filled over my Google Sheet. So this shows that the automation which I have built in is successfully working. So now you can also create an automation like this without even a single word coding. And now for that, let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. And not only these particular applications, you can integrate thousands of applications by just using Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the workflow page. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Connect, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for creating and testing this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate this workflow as soon as a new entry is made over my Google Sheet. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Google Sheets, and you can select it according to the workflow or the automation you are creating. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let's copy this, and now let's move on towards the Google Sheet where I'm going to receive my new leads. So right here you can see this is the Google Sheet which I have created named as my leads, and here you can see I have already made this entry. And here you can check out that our last data column of this Google Sheet is D, having the field name product interested in. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to go towards the extensions. And here on the extensions we are getting this option for add-ons, and here on the add-ons we are getting this option for get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app that is Pabbly Connect Webhook. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see that I'm getting this app which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install this app, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks where you have to select this initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. And here we have to add the webhook URL which we have recently received from the Pabbly Connect. And afterwards we are getting this option for entering the trigger column. So here the last data column of our Google Sheet is D. So in the trigger column we have to enter the last data columns. So here I'm going to enter it as D. Now we just have to click over the submit button, and right here you can see that we are getting this pop-up which says setup configured successfully. Means we have built in the connection. Now we just have to send the test data to the Pabbly Connect, and for that we simply have to click over the send test. And here as I already have the data, so I'm going to just click over the send test. And right here we are getting this message which say test data sent successfully. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 1 second ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Google Sheet. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now as soon as I will make the entry over the Google Sheet, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And for that you have to perform one more operation, that you have to go towards the Google Sheet, and here on the extensions you have to select this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that your data can be automatically sent to the Pabbly Connect and it can be fetched, and now you don't have to manually send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. And now here I'm done with the first principle of Pabbly Connect. Now let's move on towards the second principle of Pabbly Connect, that is our action app. So here I will be selecting my action app as Telegram, as I want to send this lead detail to the Telegram to notify my team. So here I will be selecting my action application as Telegram. So now let me search for it, and here you can see that we are getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as send a text message or reply. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here I'm on the connection page of Telegram, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. Now here it is asking me to enter the token. So for getting the token, let's move on towards my Telegram account with me. So right here I'm on my Telegram account, where I'm going to search for the bot further, which can be seen over here, and here I'm going to create a new bot. So here I will be selecting new bot, and here we are getting this message which says please choose a name for your bot. So here I'm going to provide the name to my bot as new leads 1 2, and as I have provided this name, I'm getting a message which says it must end in the word bot. So here I'm going to provide the username ending with the word bot. So now let's enter it. So here I'm going to provide this username, and here you can see that my bot has been created successfully and we are getting this token. So now let's copy this token and paste over the Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So here I have entered the token, and now we just have to click over the save button, and right here you can see that my connection has been built in, and we are getting this first field for entering the chat ID. And for getting the chat ID, let's move on towards my Telegram account with me. So right here I'm on my Telegram, where I'm going to use this bot, that is new leads 1 2, and now I have to firstly create a group where I'm going to add this bot, which is going to notify about the leads in the particular group. So here I will be creating a group firstly. So here I have created this group adding me and this bot, and here I have to provide admin permission to this particular bot, and for that I'm going to use my mobile phone. And here you can see that I have provided admin permission to this bot, and now this bot can send message to this particular group. And now here on the search bar you can see this is the chat ID required in our Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this chat ID, and now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where I'm going to just enter this chat ID, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the text message which I want to send to the particular group or the Telegram channel. So here I will be entering the text message. So this is the text message which I'm going to send to the particular group or Telegram channel, and after this word name I'm going to enter the name of the lead which I have recently entered over my Google Sheet. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the lead's name like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually type these details again and again, as typing will make the data static, but I want to make all these fields dynamic so that it can be changed with every new single entry received through Google form. So here I'm going to map all these fields. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from my Google Sheets, as this is my previous application, and the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and right here I'm getting my previous application, that is Google Sheets. So from the response I'm going to map the name of my lead, and now afterwards I'm going to map the email address received. So here I have mapped the email address as well. Now let's map the phone number. So here I'm going to map the phone number too. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the product in which my user is interested. So here I have mapped it as well. And now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single entry received through your Google Sheet. And now these fields are not necessary, so I'm going to just click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a no notification might be sent to my particular group. So now let's move on towards my Telegram account to check it. So right here you can see that this is the group which we have recently created, and here I'm successfully receiving this message which says new lead added to Google Sheets, and here I'm getting all the details of my lead. So now you have seen that how I have created this amazing automation by using which I'm going to notify over my Telegram channel regarding the new lead entry received in my Google Sheet. So now you can also create this automation without even a single word coding, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.